How you guys doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna explain you the process of drawing a mountain. How I draw mountains by using this app. So first I'll explain the basic steps that I'm doing in here. First I'm drawing the basic sketch like this. Some triangular shapes dividing in the middle area to two parts. One side is for highlights, other side is for shadows. That's how I basically structure the mountain. After that I'm adding colors to the sky. Then I'm adding colors to the mountains. And now drawing shadows and highlights. After that I'm drawing more details like some snowy parts. And finally the atmosphere. So those are the basic steps that I'm doing in here. I'll explain about this more in next part. Please subscribe and like the video, comment your ideas. So let's get into it. Okay, here's the first step. I'm drawing the basic structure. As I told you before, mountains are like triangles or pyramids. It's how it have that pyramid look, the triangular look, and it have the sides with highlights and shadows. So if we draw some messy triangle like without any straight lines, and if we divide it in the middle area, top to bottom, it's simply a mountain. So that's the way that I'm gonna explain about sketching a mountain. And the second step I'm doing in here is drawing the sky, like adding colors to the sky. At most of my works I'm doing this: first the sketch, then I'm adding the colors to the sky. Now I'm gonna add the colors to this mountain. I'm using selection tool to get the shape, and after that I'm filling that selection area with some darker color. Now I'm gonna refine these edges using watercolor brush because it looks sharp, so I'm gonna refine the edges. By the way, I forgot to mention, I'm not going to explain every simple step in here. I'm only focusing on the main process, drawing the mountain. So maybe some parts are missing, don't mind it. I'm only focusing on the main process in here. Now the highlights, you can create a clipping mask to the mountain layer, and after using some color like light blue, some brighter color, not white, like light blue, and then you can draw the highlight areas. I'm using some custom brush that I made. Maybe I'll put the download link on the description so you can import the brush to your app. To add shadows, you can create a clipping mask below that highlight layer and using light blue color, because right now I'm drawing a snowy mountain, so I'm gonna go with light blue color. Using light blue color you can draw the shadows, and don't cover all of the darker areas in the mountain. Do like me, like copy my process of drawing this. only top areas like this gonna cover with light blue color. Keep some few darker areas on some spots so you can get the depth. I don't know how to explain it. I'm just doing it, so just do it. Okay, now the detail part. Another clipping mask. I'm using white color. I'm gonna draw some snows on the top of this mountain. As you can see on the screen, I'm using flat watercolor mix brush to draw these snowy parts, and only use white color to the highlighted area. To shadow area, I'll go with some light blue color. Using light blue color, gonna add the details to the shadow area also. To add or draw more details, you can use the selection tool. Like, you can create some messy selection area like this, and you can fill or use your brush to add more details to both sides, to highlights and shadows. And final step is drawing the atmosphere. Use the soft airbrush, air pressure brush, I don't remember the name. And by using soft brush, you can add some atmosphere on bottom of this mountain. And right now I'm doing is finishing the artwork by using some more details like some clouds and a lake and some trees. So I'm sorry. So that's it. That's how you can draw or paint a mountain. And I hope you guys learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in a new video. Goodbye.